Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your NinjaTrader account to TradingView in just a few simple steps. First, log in to your TradingView account. At the top of the page, click on Products, then select Trading Panel. This is where all supported brokers appear. If you don't see NinjaTrader right away, click All Brokers to expand the full list. Now, scroll down until you find NinjaTrader and click on it. You'll be asked whether you want to connect a live account or a demo account. If you're new, I'd recommend starting with a demo so you can practice safely. Next, enter your NinjaTrader username and password, double-check your details and click Connect. Wait a few seconds, and once it's linked, you'll be able to trade directly on TradingView charts using your NinjaTrader funds. And that's it. Quick and simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more trading tutorials.